Assalamualaikum beautiful friends, how are you? I hope you all are good and doing well in your home. So today we are gonna make Loci Dal. So here I have two long gourds. So it is sliced like this. Half kg of chickpea lentils which is boiled. 2 medium onions which is sliced. 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder. So let's start making it. Now our oil is hot. Firstly we will fry the onions. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So now it's becoming brown. So now we will add ginger garlic paste, turmeric powder, red chili powder. Now we will add some water because we have to cook this masala. So now here is some masala that we have to roast it, then we will grind it. So here is 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds and 1 teaspoon of black pepper and some allspice, 2 to 3 green cardamoms and 3 to 4 cinnamon sticks, 4 to 5 cloves and 2 black cardamom. So we will roast it. So firstly we will roast the coriander seeds and black pepper. Now we will add the allspice, roast it. So now it's properly roasted, as you can see. We have to just make it a light brown, then now we will grind it. Now our masala is completely cooked and we have to just saute for 2 to 3 minutes more. As you can see, the oil is completely separated. So now our masala is completely roasted. In this stage you can feel the smell of this ingredients. Now I'm gonna grind it. Now is the time to add long gourd. Add the lentils boiled. Now we will add the water. We have to cover it properly. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt. Mix it. We have to cover it completely with the water because we have to tender this vegetable and all the things completely. Now we will cover it and cook it on medium flame. Now it's done and our dal and our vegetable, which is long gourd, it's completely tender now, as you can see. Now we are gonna add some green chilies, which is sliced in half, and some coriander leaves. Mix it. Now I'm gonna add that grinded masala that we roast and grind it. Now I'm gonna add this, sprinkle on the top of it. Now mix it. Okay, now so after adding these two things, now I'm gonna simmer it for 5 minutes on low flame. Cover it. So guys, this is our final look of Loci Dal. I hope you guys like watching this video. So simple and unique recipe, and it's really quick. You can make it for half an hour, and you can serve it with rice. So make it, enjoy it, and tell me your experience. dal. I hope you guys like watching this video. If you did, you know what to do. Hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel. That really means a lot to me. We'll meet you in another video with new recipe. Till then, take care. Allah Hafiz.